1979 MG MGB Convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Two-top car, as you can see in the background there. We do have a hard top that goes on it, as well as a black vinyl top, and we're going to put that up in a little bit. Check out the condition of the vinyl top. We'll also put that hard top on so you can check it out. Previous owner of this car had it for 26 years. It's now available to purchase. Underneath the hood, 1.8 liter. That's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Take a look at the front bumper. This car has had a repaint to the bright red that you see it now. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. You'll see the top on, top off pictured each way. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out those still pictures. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the MG wheels. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this car. As you can see, paint has a nice shine to it. Does it show its age in areas? Yes. But overall, it'll be a fun car. Get in, drive it, have some fun. Put the top down. Enjoy the weather. Of course, bucket seats. They're black vinyl, appear to be original interior. Parade boot or convertible top cover in place and snap down. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear of the car and rear bumper. Also, some things that will be included with the purchase. Visors are off of the car. We have those here. Put those back in it. And there is a couple of the cockpit covers where you can actually cover up, say, the passenger side and still drive with it. Be sitting in the driver's seat. Or you can cover the whole thing up. Also a car cover. And an exterior mirror, it looks like. You'll be able to see those in the still pictures too. Unique Classic Cars. Also, just want to let you know, as far as that holder, I guess, or cart, if you will, that hard top is on, that is here for display purposes only, and we use it from time to time with different tops that we have. So that is not included. The top would be shipped on the car. As we take a look down the driver's side, if you like these import classics, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor if you may see us in person. All right, let's take a little closer look at the interior. So black vinyl interior. We do have some wear areas over here in the driver's seat, as you can see. I did have the aftermarket stereo power up, CD, player works, AM, FM, radio works. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Let's hear it run. It's believed to be original miles at 82,106. I cannot confirm or deny that. Once the vehicle's a certain age, the miles are no longer recorded on the title. It's marked exempt, but believed to be original miles. And again, coming out of long-term ownership, previous owner, 26 years. There's oil pressure gauge came up. There's a fuel gauge coming up. Look at this. It's like the second hand of the clock is actually working. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temp gauge to be up. Mentioned the radio working earlier.
I'm Linda Ellerby.
And I'm Ray Gandolf.
We're setting our alarm clocks to get up early tomorrow because tomorrow...
A couple little fine cracks in the dash, but nothing too major. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. We're going to also take a peek underneath the hood so you can see the engine bay while it's running. If you stick around to the very end of this video, we'll take this car for a drive and put the camera in it, kind of take it for a virtual ride, if you will. But first, we're going to check out both these tops, the soft top and the hard top. And let's go look at the engine bay. I'm going to pause this a second so I can get this hood open and we can check it out. And there's the hood pop. There it is. 1.8 liter. Weber carb. No problem getting to the oil filter in that. And that is paired up with the 4-speed manual transmission. Looks like a little different exhaust system on it too. Kind of a header setup. Looks like power brakes. All right, let's go ahead. I will fold this soft top up, get her hooked up, and we'll check out the condition of that, and we'll take a peek at the hard top on it too. All right, so soft top on, or I should say up. It stays with the car and folds up. Newer vinyl. Looks like it's been replaced not too long ago. Nice tight fit. Rolled the side glass up so you can get an idea on that. Got a nice fit there too. Rear window. And it's just a couple latches back here, a few snaps. Takes a little bit of time. I suppose a few minutes. Nothing too major, a couple latches up front. But you can see no rips, tears, holes. We need it to keep you out of the sun. Maybe a brief shower. It's not going to be a problem. All right, so there's the vinyl black soft top. Now we're going to fold that back up, stash it in the car where it goes, and you can see that. You should be able to see that in the still pictures too, where it just folds up this rear compartment back here. So, like I said, it's with the car. It can be folded up anytime you need it. Of course, the hard top gets taken on and off. So let's go ahead, fold this back, and put that hard top on. And the hard top on, pretty simple. A couple latches up front. Must be fiberglass, it's not very heavy. Rolled the side glass up, and then in the rear, if you look back through, I don't know if you can see it through this window about right there, there's a little slide where it secures, one on each side. You can see that over there also. Does show a few battle wounds as far as the paint goes. Tad bit darker than the car maybe. I'm sure it's probably spent more time sitting than on the car. How many times you're going to have a top up on this car, but there it is. If you desire the hard top. 1979 MG MGB Convertible. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1979 MG MGB in red with a nice black interior. We have factory looking bucket seats inside this car. This is a manual transmission. You know what they say, manuals are more fun. Definitely makes this car more fun. Tachometer working, speedometer also working. towards clock, ticking as it should. Temperature about a third of the way up from cold. Oil pressure is about 60 to 70 pounds. And the fuel gauge is working, showing a little over half of a tank. The steering wheel is clocked a little to the right, but that doesn't affect performance at all. Though these are small cars, I'm 6'1" and I fit in this car just fine. Shift through the gears just fine, the clutch feels good. Both our turn signal indicators also working. Blower motor works on this car. We have a Panasonic CD player in the dash. And FM is working on that player. Corners as it should, just like a go-kart. I take that as a compliment when someone says it feels like a go-kart. Responsive, quick handling, easy handling. That's how I would describe it. Infinity speakers in the doors for good sound. This is a convertible, and we do have the top up today. You definitely want to go over to uniqueclassiccars.com and check out all the pictures and learn about all the details of this MGB